Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete Amazon order history. So, short answer is you cannot directly delete Amazon order history because Amazon needs to keep this for confidential reasons, but what you can do is archive them, and here's how to archive your Amazon order history. First thing first, go to Amazon.com and log in to your account. Tap the three dots and then select Return and Orders at the top right of the Amazon page. Select your orders from the drop-down. Now scroll through your order list until you locate the order you want to hide and tap Archive Order under the order details. A pop-up window will appear with a summary of the purchase. Just confirm by clicking Archive Order, and the order will now be hidden from your main order history. You can still view archived orders later by going to your account, then Archived Orders. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.